Einstein.
Where's James?
He's in the bathroom.
Oh.
Look, and a telephone.
She's got her own telephone.
Holy.
She got lip gloss. All kinds of birds.
Sarah. Sarah Kate.
Hair
You're a
stuff.
big girl. Yes, you are.
Stuff for her. And this are stampers. And then this stuff like the stickers. And the stampers, these are for her rewards.
Mm-hmm.
And stamps
Oh.
for her rewards stuff.
You just, huh?
She's got a wallet.
Oh,
Wow.
nice.
You didn't see these yet.
Jeez.
These. Look here, you didn't. Oh, they're just paper. Yeah.
Mm.
Paper dolls.
She was rewarding herself good on her arms, wasn't she?
Oh yeah.
She gets that when she's a.
So she just was a especially good girl
Oh,
today.
here's your ring. You want to put your ring on? There you
She
go.
was just a special good girl today.
Kinds of hair things.
Oh,
Hair.
oh, how pretty.
Oh, here's more bracelets. What did you do with your other bracelet?
Oh. So you got a little love You gotta put a little love seed in.
Oh, your lip gloss. Here, it's your chapstick.
Oh.
There you go.
Oh, yes, yes. You just wrapped up, didn't you? Are we gonna be taking the truck over to Vince's?
I'll probably my car.
Okay, well, we'll have to get that package out of the truck.
Okay, I'll get it.
Oh, Mama's got a bag of stuff in there. And
I saw that.
I give it to him this cake.
When should we eat that cake, Mom?
huh?
When should we eat that cake?
Maybe after you eat dinner, that I'm
Well, I know that, not the second.
cooking.
I know not the
Yeah,
second.
Dean, it's been a big temptation for him not to cut that cake. He's, did
Big
Did you
one.
see what
Temptation.
you got on here, Grandpa?
you see?
Wow.
Oh,
Nice
look
thing.
at that. That is gorgeous.
I'm sorry we couldn't be here earlier, but
That's gorgeous.
she had to work yesterday.
Yeah.
Well, I
All right.
did it so I could put Christmas and New Year's together is the reason I did it that
Mom, have a
way.
seat here.
But it's been hard. It's really been hard.
Have a seat. Have a seat.
She's really
But I especially like the family man. Let me get.
that'd be interesting to do.
Sure.
Trust me, they're watching everybody right now. Not just me.
Here is from Mamo.
Sarah, I don't know how this thing goes.
Sarah. Sarah Kate.
Cheese.
Say cheese. Sarah.
She's taking your picture.
Sarah. Sarah.
This is for your. Let's see.
Sarah.
This is for your
Say
cats.
cheese.
Oh,
Boy, she's grown. Wow.
We weren't expecting anything like this.
You see the cakes?
Did I tell you?
You see the cakes?
I used to call this bitch.
like you
I think about everybody did.
Let's wipe the big girl's
Right.
tears.
Oh.
There you
Can I
go.
have a piece of this?
Big girl's tears. Now, let's see what we can find for a big girl, okay? Oh, this one? Oh, there's Hello Kitty. See, you're wearing Kitty. You don't want to put it on? Oh, you got Kitty right here. Yeah, we'll put Kitty out there. Now you've got Kitty. Okay. There we go. Tell Daddy what you
Good.
want. Ooh, look what Uncle Vince has.
Rum cake.
Mmm, nummies. Yeah?
So you make your goal?
Grandpa. Hurry.
Okay, I'm ready.
Say, hurry up, Grandpa.
I'll be-
That is a cheese.
Hurry up, Grandpa.
I like cheese. Cheese.
Cheese. Cheese. Let me get a picture of you holding her. She gave us our kiss. Our
Happy birthday.
she
Mm.
kissed us both.
You happy birthday. Happy birthday, Penny.
Aren't
Merry
you gonna
Christmas
give Granny a
always.
kiss?
Merry Christmas. Oh, 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 oh.
That will be very
Oh,
flattering.
Look up here. See Grandpa. What you doing, girl? She wants to go somewhere all dressed up. She wants to go shopping.
Well, we better hit the
She
road.
wants to
Okay.
Let me kiss you. We gotta go.
Oh,
Bye, darling.
She
Well.
wants to
We'll talk soon, okay?
Okay.
Penny, we're gonna get on out of here. Thank you so much for everything.
Thank you, Penny. I
You guys
appreciate it.
take care.
We will.
Give Nanny and Grandpa hugs, Sarah. They're gonna
Well,
go bye-bye.
She kissed
Bye-bye.
us this morning.
She's
Kirk, when I get home, I'll call you.
Okay.
Probably tomorrow evening sometime. Yeah, there's no way in the world we can ever thank you for everything you've done.
Hank, what do you have in your hand?
a boo-boo.
Where?
A boo-boo.
Oh no, how'd you get a boo-boo?
Boo-boo.
Sarah, how'd you get a boo-boo?
Mama, take a picture.
What?
Cheese. Mama, take. Just go for the door.
You gonna put those sunglasses on?
No, I do.
What, sweetie?
Cheese. Hey, a picture there.
What do you say?
Okay.
Say cheese. Sarah, Daddy loves you.
Cheese. Dad, Mama, a cheese.
Cheese. Cheese.
Cheese! Cheese, Sarah! What you doing, Pumpkin?
Mama, Dad. Dad.
Yes, honey.
Mama.
Should I
Dad.
take your picture? Oh, you already have it turned off. Some cheese.
Cheese. Mama. Picture, Daddy. Cheese. Daddy.
Yes, honey.
Cheese.
Yes.
I know, but you're not eating it.
What'd she say?
Her dinner.
Oh, what's she, Mama, do?
You gonna eat it?
Okay.
What are you doing with Sarah's dinner?
There you go. Want a bite? Boots? You want to bite?
Bats. Bats. Bats.
Swiper, fox? Here, you want to bite of your tree?
Dora. 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 Dora.
She just wants to play with it because I told her they were trees.
Has she had her vitamin?
No.
You want your vitamin?
Okay.
Okay.
Mama, don't bite. Dang, Mama.
Mama's getting your vitamin now.
Mama, dang, you bite.
I see that.
What is it?
Baby.
It's a kitty cat.
The kitty.
Yeah.
Meow.
The kitty, day. Kitty. Mama, kitty, kitty.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Mama.
What, honey?
The kitty. Baby. Mm.
So you gonna get up and dance for me? You gonna dance? Okay.
You should take her up and record her dancing on the bed.
Alright. Sarah, dance, dance, dance.
Good job. You're a good dancer.
Ring around the rosies, pocket full of posies. Ashes, ashes, we all fall down. Good job, Sarah.
Sarah, can you put this in the trash for me?
Okay, Mama.
Thanks. Thank you.
The more day.
What, honey?
Cheese. Cheese. It's all cheese. Cheese.
I love you.
Cheese. I did it.
What'd you do?
I did it.
What? Sarah. Come here, honey.
Daddy, cheese.
Sarah, come here. Come here, honey. Sarah, honey. Here, I will show you something. Come here. Cheese.
Cheese day. Cheese.
I love you, Sarah.
Cheese day. Cheese.
Me and Sarah were on the way back from Lawrence, the babysitter, and we went and got the mail. The ice cream truck came, and the ice cream truck was playing Christmas music, and it's like June.
Uh-oh.
And what did we do, Sarah? We stopped and we got ice cream, didn't we? We got a cherry ice cream, and Sarah loves it. She's almost eaten the whole ice cream. Hey, you sweetheart. Sarah, is the ice cream good? Is ice cream good, honey? Yeah, it must be. It must be good. I'm gonna get you. 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 Ah! You better run. You better run. Ah! Ah, I got you. Ah, I got you. Ah, I got you. Ah. Ah. Come get you. You better run. You better run. Uh-oh, you okay? Ah. Say something. Sing, sing.
Can you do your flower dance for Daddy?
Sing, sing. Go ahead, sing. Sarah, Sarah. Sing, sweetie. What you doing? What you doing? Sarah, you gonna break it? You gonna break the door? Be careful. Yeah, be careful, honey. Come on. Our dance. Do your fire dance.
Here. This like what the oh, that's what
Sarah, she's going to Mary's. She's going to get a key to the pool. She'll be back. She's getting a key to the pool, honey. See? She'll be right back. Where?
This is the chicken one. This is option. From it. Teeth.
Yep.
Look.
Here she.